In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and edit within an Excel worksheet. You might think you're already familiar with navigating an Excel worksheet, but there are some quick tips that can help you move around much faster and boost your productivity. Let's start with basic movement within the worksheet. While you can scroll vertically using your mouse or the scroll bar conveniently located on the right, and horizontally with the scroll bar at the bottom, there's a faster way. This involves using some handy keyboard shortcuts that are designed for speedier navigation. For example, if you want to jump straight to the top left corner of your worksheet without manually scrolling, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press the Home key. This action immediately takes you to cell A1, which is often quite convenient when you need to start your work from the very beginning of your data set. On the other hand, if you want to navigate to the bottom right corner of your data, there's an equally efficient shortcut. Just hold the Control key and press End. This will swiftly move you to the last cell that contains data in your worksheet. It's particularly useful when you're dealing with large data sets and want to find the endpoint quickly. In addition to these, another efficient method of navigation involves using the combination of Control with the arrow keys. This nifty trick enables you to easily jump from one section of data to the next without moving cell by cell. It saves a lot of time, especially when working through a lengthy worksheet. Now let's talk about editing cells. You have the option to double-click on any cell to change its contents directly, or choose to use the formula bar at the top of the worksheet to make your edits. Once you've made the necessary changes, simply press Enter or Tab to confirm them. However, if you happen to change your mind midway, hitting the S key will cancel your edits and revert the cell to its previous state. Additionally, there's a quick way to enter edit mode directly from the keyboard. By selecting a cell and pressing F2, you can start editing right away. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, just hit Enter to save these edits. So, with these tips, you can significantly enhance your efficiency in moving and editing within an Excel worksheet. With this newfound speed and precision, your workflow should become much smoother and more intuitive. Happy excelling!